Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve summer pack of computer class 5. First of all, you will write your name, class, section, campus and student ID over there. Fill in the blanks. Dash is the basic storage unit of a computer. RAM is a temporary memory. One terabyte is equal to 1024 GB. Dash is the smallest unit of a computer. Bit. RAM stand for random access. Access memory. Dash and dash are the two types of memory.
1 terabyte is equal to
RAM and ROM are the two types of memory. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Dash and dash are secondary memory. Hard disk and optical disks are secondary memory. A computer's memory is measured in GB and MB. Dash and dash are two types of primary memory. RAM and ROM are two types of primary memory. Dash is an operating system. Windows, WINDOWS. Windows is an operating system. Dash can only be read. It is a dash memory device. RAM can only be read. It is a temporary. Memory device. Pick the correct answer. Which of the following is an input device? Scanner, printer, monitor and speaker. So scanner is an input device. Which of the following are you most likely to use when playing a computer game? Touch screen, light pen, joystick or traceball? Most likely when playing a computer game, joystick. Computer is an dash device. Electric, light, mechanical, electronic. Computer is an electronic device. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास माइक्रोफोन इज ए और एन डैश डिवाइस. माइक्रोफोन इनपुट और आउटपुट, मेमोरी और प्रोसेसिंग. सो माइक्रोफोन इज एन इनपुट डिवाइसेस यूनिट. What are the four main components of a computer system? CPU, CD-ROM, mouse, keyboard, memory, video card, monitor, SPW, modem, keyboard, word processor, printer, CPU, memory, input devices, output devices. CPU, memory, input devices, output devices. This is the right option. A computer works on the principle of input-output process. The scanner, joystick, keyboard are input devices. The processing is done with the help of CPU, monitor, keyboard or mouse. Processing is done by the CPU. The next one is computer parts. Can you name all these computer parts? Use the words below and the description for clues. यहाँ पर हमारे पास बॉक्सेस के नीचे जो है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन दी हुई एज अ क्लू यूज़ करेंगे हम. ठीक है. दिस इज़ द स्क्रीन दैट लेट्स यू सी व्हाट यू आर डूइंग ऑन द कंप्यूटर. सो वी विल कॉल इट मॉनिटर. This is the inside your computer and stores all your files. hard disk, okay. You can plug your keyboard and other computer devices into this USB port. This lets you play CD that can hold music, video and other types of files. CD-ROM, CD और DVD-ROM इसे कह सकते हैं. With this device you can type information into the computer keyboard. This device lets you print your picture, stories or artwork. Printer. This device is your digital hand inside the computer. Mouse. Okay. The next activity is find out how many of these keys are there in the keyboard given below. Enter keys. The one is this enter key and the other is this enter key. So we will write 2 enter keys and spacebar, only one spacebar key. Alphabet keys, 26 alphabets. Number keys, 10 number keys, 1 to 9 and 0 मिला के 10. ठीक है. 10 keys और backspace key is equal to 1 and caps lock 1. Okay. The next one is collect the information about given question from any resource, for example internet, book, magazine, etc. What is www? www stands for World Wide Web. It refers to all the public websites. What is URL? URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. This is the unique identifier on the internet. A website is a collection of linked web pages. What is search engine? Make a list of at least 5. A search engine is a platform on which a user can search content. Example: Yahoo, Google, Bing, Internet Explorer, Firefox. Write the uses of internet as many as you can. Online shopping, banking, gaming, trading, email communication, upskilling. Draw and label a laptop computer correctly which has screen, keyboard and computer built together. यहाँ पर आपने खुद से एक पोस्टर लगा देना, ठीक है.